The Indian Ocean is one of, if not the most important bodies of water in the world right now.
But away from the tourists, on a barely accessible outer island, there's that a secret military base is being built.
There's no real reason why this island would be developed other than for military use.
Mauritius is in the southwest Indian Ocean. It's made up of 4 island groups. The largest, Mauritius. Rodrigues, also a tourist destination. The St. Brandon Reef. And the Agalega Islands. Port facilities are expanding. Before this, there was a small shoreline jetty. Supply ships had to anchor in deeper waters and use small boats to carry goods ashore. Now jetties extend into the sea. 2 structures with cranes are also visible, indicating a second L-shaped jetty is under construction. Videos shot by the island's residents show the growth in building work. There is new housing. A new runway is also under construction. The island has a short runway. It's only suitable for small prop planes, like those belonging to the Mauritian Coast Guard. The new runway takes shape. The runway is paved by the end of 2020. It's more than 3 kilometers long.
The Indian Ocean is one of, if not the most important bodies of water in the world right now. And it's the site of increasing geopolitical tension because you have the resident power, India, and a rising China, who has now, for the first time in its history, and I mean in its entire history, a blue water navy that allows it to project power globally.
China built its first foreign military base in 2017 in the Horn of Africa at a cost of nearly $600 million.
For India, tying Mauritius more into its influence, making sure that India remains the partner of choice, insulates Mauritius from overt Chinese influence, which India sees as a good.
I have gotten that impression that the base will be used for, berthing of our ship. The runway will be mostly used for P-81 aircraft. P-81 is useful for anti-submarine warfare, for anti-surface warfare. To what extent this will help increase India's presence? Quite exponentially. It is important for India's rise as a regional power.
The secrecy surrounding the military facility has drawn parallels with events at Diego Garcia on Chagos Island, which was once part of Mauritius.